we're back. Today we have a Mazda 2 and we have to replace the front bumper. Let's get to it. Firstly, we're going to start with the wheel arches. So you've got 3 trim clips in there, which you're going to need. Trim tool, pop them out. And then you've got one 8mm bolt through here, holding the bumper corner on, which we'll show you in a minute. Cheers. In there, I don't know if you can see it, but the 8mm should be right there, which will release that top corner. And then exactly the same the other side, and then we're just gonna lift the car up a little bit on some chocks at the front, which will allow us to get to all the bottom side, which we'll show you in a second. Now with all the sides done, you can go ahead and just pop that out. Now we've got it raised up also, just on a couple of little chocks, which allows you to then see these bolts. And you've got a couple more clips and bolts around the bottom of the under tray. So we're going to go ahead and take them out. And there should be 1 and 2 and a couple of bolts holding the actual bumper on the underneath. So go ahead and do that now. 8mm little impact gun, make your life a lot easier for these. All the way out. Just a couple more this side as well. I have to do one-handed, but getting it done. So now they're all out. You've just got these plastic clips to take out as well, and then release that down, and you'll see if there's any other bolts in the actual bottom of the bumper. With all of them being out now, you can go ahead and pull this down, because it's tucked up underneath the bumper there. Pull that out, and then that will show you the last 2 bolts, and one there as well for the underneath. So just go get them out. Might be a little bit hard one-handed, but got it. One more there as well. That should release the whole of the bottom now. Right, now I'm going to pop the bonnet, do the ones along the top here. Cheers. Alright, bonnet's open. For the top sides, you're going to need a 10mm on a little impact gun or a ratchet, whichever you've got, a Phillips screwdriver, and another trim tool. So in here, you'll start by taking out Phillips, 10mm, trim clip, and then another 10mm Phillips. And then if we take out these 2 10mm here as well, underneath this little intake bit will be another trim clip underneath here. And then that will help release the top of the bumper and everything else. So let's get into it. out. A couple of last 10 mils. Now it should help release that to show you that there is, in fact, a trim clip underneath there. You see it? So we'll go ahead and get that out now. Try and do it one-handed if we can. I don't think we're going to be able to. I'll go ahead and get that one out and then pop the front off. Show you after that. Now this last one's out from underneath there. There's a clip in there and another piece the other side clipped in. So we'll just make sure that's undone. You should be able to go ahead and lift that off. So that is off. Lift that above that little piece. Give it another. Cool. Give it a little underneath. Now we'll take it off. We'll go ahead and drop on the floor. Show you it all off. Before you drop it fully down onto the floor, you've got two push-on clips there for the fog lights. So you just squeeze the end a little bit, give it a little wriggle, and it'll come off. But with two hands, that'd be a lot easier. There we have it. Mazda 2 front bumper removed from the car. We've now just got to paint this new front one, fit all the new trims on, fit it back up, do everything else in reverse. Cheers for watching. See you in the next one. Oh